Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you an update on the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project. This is a section from Kingston or from Harborview to Yalos. We're actually driving from 11 miles in Bull Bay. Actually, somebody indicated it's not 11 but 10 to 12 miles Bull Bay back to the Harborview Bridge. So we're giving you an update on the construction that's going on. Now, this section that we're looking at is what they're doing is expanding the existing roadway from 2 lanes to 4 lanes. So that's the work that's being done now. And the highways in this section is going to be 4 lanes. It's going to be a dual carriageway with the Jersey barrier in the middle. So they are currently in the process of expanding the 2 lanes to 4 lanes and putting in a Jersey barrier. So that's what you're looking at now. Now this section of the highway is the entire highway is from the Harborview Bridge to Port Antonio. So the highway will start in Harborview, which is in the parish of St. Andrew, go through St. Thomas, and go into Port Antonio, the parish of Portland, where it goes into the town of Port Antonio, where it will meet the Northern Coastal Highway. So this section now, the project is being done in sections. So you have a section from Kingston from Harborview to Yalos. So that's the section we're going to be talking about today. Now, the section from Kingston to Yalos is to be finished in August of this year, which is practically 8 weeks away. So we're going to give you guys updates every week on this project until the end of August to see what's going on. So this section that we're driving on now is to be finished in August. So we're going to go through the alignment between Kingston and Yalos, more specifically from the Harborview Bridge to the Yalos Bridge. The road alignment begins at the eastern end of the Harborview Bridge. It continues eastward adjacent to the main road leading to 11 miles Bull Bay. So that's the section we are on now, where they are expanding the existing roadway to 4 lanes. Now this entire section from Kingston to Yalos, or from Harborview to Yalos, is 17.4 kilometers. And China Harbor Engineering Company is the contractor working on this section. And this is a section, 17.4 kilometers, is a section that's to be finished by August. So let's continue the alignment. The highway starts at the Harborview Bridge and goes to 11 miles Bull Bay. And that section, the existing roadway, will be converted into 4 lanes. The road then diverts south at 11 miles towards the Suncoast Adventure Park. So that is a new road that's being built. So for that section, the highway no longer goes along the route of the existing road. So a new road has been built over the hill. And that roadway, I think, is 2.8 kilometers. A new roadway built over the hill. 2.8 kilometers. And then it comes out at the Suncoast Adventure Park, where it then rejoins the existing roadway. And then from the Suncoast Adventure Park to Albion Heights, the highway then goes along the existing roadway that's also going to be upgraded to 4 lanes. At Albion Heights, the highway goes over the hill again, takes a new route, and comes out by Grandspen. And then from Grandspen to Albion, it runs along the existing roadway, and that will be 4 lanes. But from Albion to the Yalos Bridge, the highway becomes 2 lanes. So from the Harborview Bridge to Albion, you have a 4-lane highway, a dual carriageway with a Jersey barrier in the middle. And then from Albion to Yalos, it's 2 lanes. So that's just this section. Now the entire highway from Harborview to Port Antonio is 110 kilometers. There's another section from Morant Bay to Cedar Valley that's 13 kilometers. So in all, the entire highway is 123 kilometers. But from the Yalos Bridge to Port Antonio, it's 110 kilometers. And from the Yalos Bridge to, from the Harborview Bridge to Yalos is 17.4 kilometers. So when this section is finished in August, it's probably going to be close to 20% or 15% of the highway that's going to be finished. Now, as I said, I broke it up into sections. So other sections of the highway are also being worked on. Now, some of those sections were given to local subcontractors, and I'm sure everybody has heard about the complaints and what happened, and China Harbor Engineering Company has taken over some of those sections. So we'll go through that in another video. We have videos up describing what happened in more detail with the local subcontractors and those sections. But the section we're looking at today, the section we're driving on, it's China Harbor Engineering Company responsible for it. And they have said August 2023 for this section of the highway. Alright guys, so we'll keep you guys updated. As we said, we'll make videos every week until the end of August to see what's going on. Alright guys, remember to like, share, and subscribe. Enjoy the rest of the tour. Have a good day.